Okay, pants are done. They came out real nice, not bad, not bad. Pretty nice. Now is the labels. This morning when I came in, the one that comes and helps me here with the screens and all that, I paid him so he could just turn inside out all the hoodies, all the t-shirts. And when I come in this morning, I see all that ready to be labeled up, beautiful, even the t-shirts. All sized up, all the small, all the medium, all the large. That's it, I won't have no issues. I just gotta take pile by pile and get all those labels done. Right now, I already started doing the labels. Check it out, this is the screen that I'm using right now. Right here, you have three sizes here, three sizes, then you turn around, and then I'll be able to get all these shirts down. Right now, I already started printing one of the shirts right here. Look at the label, how it came out. Real nice, real nice. They're already all flipped over. And then let me show you real quick, a quick step of how you do the process and take that label out and make this move very fast. And then after that, we're gonna label the pants and I'll show you how you put the labels on the pants. Let's do this. Okay, the beauty about having laser light, look, all my laser light is already set up where the collar is gonna go. That's the light right here. And this is the different sizes, so when I bring the shirt this way, I'm not moving the screen, I'm just gonna move the shirt this way or this way when it comes to the sizes. But over here, once I put in the shirt, I'll bring it all in. And the light is already letting me know exactly where is the collar. And the label is letting me know I'm in the middle. Once you have that right there, make sure you take out the label. Before you start printing, you already know that it's already centered. Take the label off, bring it to the little bag. That's it. Then come. One little pass. And there it is. Nice. So now I'm just gonna get all the t-shirts done. Then I have another screen because this screen is only 100% cotton. It's for the t-shirts. The hoodies and the pants are 80-20. I have another 230 screen with all the sizes of 80-20. That's the process. But once I do that one, then I'll come and show you how you print the pants. That's the good one. But before we move on, I wanna sell you something. Today's video is sponsored by Printavo. Printavo is a management cloud-based software. Printavo will help you manage orders, invoices, handle scheduling, automation, and online stores. Regardless if you are a small shop or a big shop with a lot of employees, Printavo will help you streamline your business. And if you sign up today using the promo code Taino, you'll get $50 off the first month, which that's pretty good. $50 off. Not bad. If I could do something differently when I started this business, it will be getting a management software because it's a big load off your back when that software is mostly doing your work. So I want to thank Printavo for sponsoring today's video. But now, let's get printing. Okay, when it comes to printing neck labels on hoodies, on fleece, there's a little issue with that. The issue is that inside of the hoodie, if you notice, so much lint. So much lint. So just imagine you trying to put the neck label with these little details of words in there. What happens is once you print it, all those lints are gonna go all over the place. You won't even be able to read the neck label. But I bumped into how you avoid that and get a nice, clean, sharp print. and is using a clear base as the underbase. Under the logo, you're gonna try to use the clear underbase to cover all that lint, flatten it down, and then print the neck label, and you're gonna see the difference when you do that. Let me show you. So what you do is, first, we're gonna bring the clear underbase, and we're gonna print that, get all that clear up, and you see it's already over the lint. So what you do is flash it. Once you bring it back after flashing, make sure you just, with your finger, press all that lint down. And now you have a smooth surface. If you see, now you come with the label, and same thing. Do it twice, and there you go. There it is. Nice. See all the words? Beautiful, clean print. When it comes to sweatpants, like this here, this is what I don't like. I don't want to put the label on the left or on the right because you cannot do it in the middle. So what I do is I take the pant, and this part here, the inside pocket, this is where we're printing the label. And this is how you place it on the pant without trying to turn over the pant inside out. Just grab the inside pocket, place it on the pallet, and print. And since these pockets are like a t-shirt, they don't have no fleece, so it's just a one. You don't need the clear underbase, but if it does have it like this, then you're gonna need the clear underbase. So this is how you place it on the pallet. So just make sure you put a little bit of the super tack. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the inside pocket, just like this, and you're gonna place it nice and even right there. And that's it. Next is just, you don't need the underbase. So all you wanna do is 1, 2, and there goes your print. Real nice and clean. Perfect. Okay, let me show you why I heat press them, to give them that nice, buttery, smooth, semi-gloss print. Here it is, the before and after. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.